Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can transfer cryptos from Coinbase to your Trust Wallet account. So without any further delay, let's get started. While you're trying to transfer crypto from Coinbase to your Trust Wallet account, you need to copy the wallet address of your Trust Wallet. For that, log into your Trust Wallet account. And once you're logged into your account, next interface, tap on the trade icon. And as you tap on the trade icon, you'll have an option as send/receive. So since we are receiving the crypto, so you need to click on receive, and after that you need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive, and you also need to select the network type. After you're done copying the wallet address, you'll need to log in into your Coinbase account. So once you're logged into your Coinbase account, now do the same thing, that is tap on the trade icon, and instead of receive you need to click on send. After you tap on send, on the other interface you need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to send. Make sure to select the same cryptocurrency as you've selected on your Trust Wallet account as soon as you're done selecting your cryptocurrency. And next you'll be asked to provide amount of crypto that you want to transfer, and right at the bottom you'll be asked to paste in the wallet address. So once you're done pasting in the wallet address as well as you're done typing in the amount, you'll need to tap on transfer now. For the confirmation, you need to verify or double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, tap and confirm, and then you'll be notified that you've transferred cryptos. And after a couple of hours later, you'll be notified that you've successfully transferred cryptos from your Coinbase to your Trust Wallet account. So that is how you can transfer cryptos from your Coinbase to your Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.